Just before we start this video, if you have any questions at all, you can leave them in the comments section down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, you can subscribe and turn on notifications and you will never miss an upload. I also upload daily content on Instagram as well as TikTok, so be sure to follow me so that you don't miss out on any more maths content in the future. Enjoy the video. Okay, question 18, bit different this time. We've got x and it's divided by 5. So the best thing to do in this question, or a similar question to this, is we need to get rid of this x over 5, and to do that we're going to multiply everything here by the number 5. Okay, so we can essentially write it like this. We can put 5 and then brackets x over 5, take away 2, and then we've got equals 4, and then we've got multiplied by 5, so I'll actually rewrite that as 5 and then in brackets 4. So then we just need to expand the brackets. So 5 multiplied by x over 5 just leaves us with x. Then we've got take away 2 times 5, which is take away 10, and that is equal to 20. And therefore, plus and 10 to both sides, we get x is now equal to 30. Okay, so any question where you've got a division, the easiest way to get rid of that division is to multiply everything in the question by, in this case, the number 5. Okay, question 19, very similar to question 18. So instead of having divided by 5, this time we've got divided by 2. So it's the same thing, we just multiply everything in the question by 2. So we'll rewrite it like this: 2 brackets x plus 5 all over 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7. Okay, from here we just expand the brackets, so the left hand side we are left with x plus 5, and this is equal to 14. Taking 5 away from both sides and we get x is equal to 9. Question 20, very similar again to question 19. So we multiply everything in the question by the number that is being divided by, so it's 2 this time. So we've got 2 and then brackets 5x plus 4 all over 2, and then we've got equals 2 multiplied by 3. We then expand the brackets, so the left hand side we get 5x plus 4, and this is equal to 6. Taking 4 away from both sides we get 5x is now equal to 2, and dividing both sides by 5 we get x is equal to 2 over 5, or 2/5. Question 21, again very similar. This time we just need to multiply everything in the question by 3. So we get 3, then in brackets 10, take away 5x all over 3 is equal to 2. I'll rewrite that. We've got 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, we then need to just expand the brackets, so we've got 10, take away 5x, as the 3's cancel out, and this is now equal to 6. Now this time, as we've got a negative 5x, we want to try and make that positive, so the easiest way to do that is to plus 5x to both sides. So plus and 5x to both sides, we get 10 is equal to 6 plus 5x. And then to get all the numbers onto one side of the equal sign, we take 6 away from both sides to get 4 is equal to 5x. And therefore, we get 4 divided by 5 is equal to x. Question 22, again, very similar. Once you can do one of these questions, you can do all of them. We just need to multiply everything in the question by 3 this time. So we'll rewrite the question as 3 brackets 12 minus x all over 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 7. Okay, we then expand the brackets to get 12, take away x, it's now equal to 21. And again we've got a negative x this time, so we're going to plus x to both sides. So we get 12 is equal to 21 plus x, and taking 21 away from both sides we get negative 9 is equal to x. Okay, question 23. Very similar again, apart from this time we've got x in two places, here and here. But it's the exact same method, so we just need to multiply everything in the question by 3. So we've got 3 multiplied by x, and this is equal to 3, and then in brackets 7 minus 2x all over 3. Okay, left hand side we just get 3x, and this is equal to 7 take away 2x. So we just need to do the same thing now. We need to get all the x's to be on one side of the equal sign. So we're going to plus 2x to both sides to get 5x. It's now equal to 7. And finally, dividing both sides of the equation by 5, we get x on its own is equal to 7 over 5. Okay, so question 24. It's probably as hard as you're going to get for questions like this, because we've got two sets of the variable, in this case y, and we've also got plus a digit on this side, okay? And of course we've got the division as well. So we just need to do the same method again, multiply everything by 4. So we get 4 and then brackets 7 take away 2y all over 4 is equal to 4 brackets 2y plus 3. From here we just need to expand again. So the left hand side we get 7 take away 2y, which is now equal to 8y, and then plus 12. Next step is to get all the y's to be on one side of the equal sign. So we're going to plus 2y to both sides to get 7 is equal to 10y plus 12. And then getting all the digits to be on one side of the equal sign, we take 12 away from both sides this time. So we get negative 5 is equal to 10y. And therefore, dividing both sides by 10, we get negative 5 over 10, which is the same as negative 1/2, is now equal to y. I hope this video was useful, and if you've got any questions at all, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, or alternatively you can contact me on Instagram via DM and I'll be sure to help you out there. Don't forget to subscribe as well and turn on channel notifications, and then you will never miss an upload in the future. And of course, I upload daily on Instagram as well as TikTok, and if you want more maths content, be sure to follow me over there.